to turn on or turn off vibration for wireless emergency alerts. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. Open settings, swipe down notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find safety and emergency. Next, tap safety and emergency, and then tap wireless emergency alerts. Scroll down the screen. On vibration, tap switch until blue to turn on, or tap switch until gray to turn off. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.